Ibrahim. Our today's video lecture is related to Tess and its character. We will discuss all the major and minor characters of this novel, one by one. First of all, Tess Derbyfield. She is the heroine of the novel. Her life exemplifies the clash between the inherent will to enjoy and circumstantial forces against enjoyment. She is intelligent, she is very attractive and naturally dignified. She is 16-year-old when the story of the novel begins. Our second character is John Derbyfield. He is Tess' father, whose natural aversion of work is intensified by the discovery that he is descended from an ancient noble family of Dubois. Number 3, Jane Derbyfield. She is Tess' mother, simple-minded woman. Number 4, Elisa Loisa. The second child, Derbyfield. She is 12 years old at the beginning of the story. Number 4, Ibrahim Derbyfield. He is Tess' small brother. He is 9 years old when the story begins. He is the third of the Derbyfield's 7 children. Ibrahim Derbyfield is at 5th number. And 6th factor is Sorrow, Tess' child who died in infancy. Number 6, Alec Dubois, villain, son of Simon Stock. His talents range from seduction to evangelical preaching. Mrs. Dubois, the blind widow of Simon Stock. Number 7, Angel Clare, the youngest son of the Reverend Mr. Clare of Amnesty, being too liberal in his thinking to prepare for the ministry, he returned to agriculture for a career. He is husband of Tess. Number 8, the Reverend Mr. Clare of Amnesty, as we already have mentioned, Angel's father. He is very self-sacrificing clergyman of charitable sentiments but rigid opinions. Mrs. Clare, as it is also clear that she is Angel's mother. Though kind-hearted, but she is and maintains values of class-conscious society. Number 11, the Reverend Felix Clare. He is brother of Angel, who is a curate. Number 12, the Reverend Cuthbert Clare. He is also brother of Angel. Number 13, Mercy Chant, daughter of friend and neighbor of the Reverend Mr. Clare, who would like to have Angel marry her. Number 13, Richard Crick, the master dairyman of Talbot's. Number 16, Marian, milkmaid at Talbot's. Love for Angel Clare leads to her drinking after he marries Tess. Number 15 is Hugh, milkmaid at Talbot's. Angel Clare impulsively invites her to go to Brazil with him after he abandons Tess. Last not the least, Retty Priddle. She is also milkmaid at Talbot's. Her love for Angel Clare results in her conscious decline after he marries Tess. So this is the brief introduction of characters of Tess of the Dubois novel by Thomas